Here's how you can blur your background in Zoom. Very often, it happens that your meeting is approaching fast and your room is untidy. The good news is that you can hide your messy workspace from others in a Zoom meeting. Zoom enables you to blur your backdrop. There's another benefit of this option. It simply preserves your privacy and spares you from potentially embarrassing and discomforting moments. In order to get the blurry background in Zoom, you will need to have the latest version of the Zoom app installed. Then, follow these steps. First, open the Zoom desktop app. Second, click your profile photo or initial in the top right corner of the app. Third, select Settings. Then, press Background and Effects. Now select Virtual Backgrounds. Click on Blur. Now, join a Zoom meeting. Here you go. You have the blurred background and it will stay in all future Zoom meetings until you change it back. Here are some further tactics for blurring your backdrop in Zoom. Ensure that your internet connection is working properly. Blurring your background can consume a lot of bandwidth. Therefore, you don't want your video call to be choppy. Also, you will need to adjust the brightness and contrast settings in Zoom if the light in your background is brighter. This will make your face still visible even after your background is blurred.